Okay, guys, here's a little bit more inspiration. Here's what I did with the coffee table. Okay, you're going to see a lot of the same elements. That is in the center. Let me lower myself down so you can get a real good close-up. This is the centerpiece that was on the mantle. It was on the fireplace mantle, the dining room mantle. It was $2. Okay. Here are the unglued berries that we can change. We could put fruit. If that was our theme, we could put silver bells and gold bells. Inspiration and options, guys. This is just to inspire and enhance your ideas. Those are the pine cones that you've seen me put on the mantle. That is the mantle garland wrapped around the centerpiece that I've created here. Okay, let me show you. I've wrapped it completely around. I've added the cocktail tea lights. That's what we're going to call those, the cocktail tea lights. Okay? Those could have been red glasses, green glasses, white glasses, red candles. Think out of the box and do you. Do what you do. Because I have endless ideas and I love this. Now, if you wanted, I don't have time here in New York. As you know, I keep it real and I keep it honest. I don't sit here and pretend that we're some perfected decor channel. We're not. I'm just Jeanine doing some ideas for holiday time in my apartment here in New York. We're going to go to Florida and I'm going to do some more stuff there. But if I were here for the holidays, I would do this. If I wanted to stay and embellish and was having company, I would add more. Trust me, you can put a red runner from one end to the other of any style of your choice. Could be plaid, green, red, whatever you like, gold. But this is the idea. That was a $2 centerpiece. That was the inspiration for the entire set. Simplicity is best. Some people like me would say this is enough, and I think it is. I wouldn't do more for myself, but you do you. Go as crazy as you want, as holiday-ish as you want. It's all good, and I think it's lovely. These candles are easily gotten on Amazon, on Michael's, Hobby Lobby. They're battery operated. They're safe. They're wonderful and very realistic looking. Very. That's why I like them. The garland, these are the fairy lights within it. Okay? And the fairy lights are the lights that I have on the baby tree. See? I'll show you as best I can how they're throughout the garland. They're in there, they're hidden. Here's a better view. Here's a better view. But I think by now everybody knows the fairy lights and the mantle garlands and whatnot. But I hope you get some ideas and inspiration. And from my house to your house, happy holidays. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas.